Maintaining a clean in-ground pool can be a lot of work, but robotic cleaners like the WYBOT C1 promise to make it easy. This cordless vacuum tackles your pool's floor, walls, waterline, and steps with smart navigation and app control. We're breaking down if this smart cleaner is the right choice for you. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core performance of the WYBOT C1 and see how well it handles the demanding task of keeping your in-ground pool pristine. The WYBOT C1 is engineered for thorough cleaning, covering multiple surfaces with its triple motor system. Its advanced navigation helps it move efficiently throughout the pool, ensuring it doesn't miss spots and maximizes its operational time on a single charge. This robotic cleaner provides comprehensive 4-in-1 coverage, specifically designed for in-ground pools, including the floor, walls, waterline, and even steps. Equipped with a high-precision gyroscope, it uses optimized N-Path and S-Path cleaning patterns to systematically cover your pool with greater efficiency. With up to 160 minutes of continuous operation on a 4-hour charge, it is well suited for large in-ground pools up to 618 square feet. Overall, the WYBOT C1 offers strong cleaning performance with its versatile coverage, smart navigation, and impressive runtime, making it a reliable choice for larger in-ground pools. Next, let's explore the practical advantages and smart technologies that make using the WYBOT C1 a more enjoyable and effortless experience for pool owners. The cordless design of this cleaner eliminates the hassle of tangled cables, while its smart app connectivity brings scheduling and control right to your fingertips. The ability to receive over-the-air updates also ensures the cleaner stays up to date with new programs and performance improvements. Being completely cordless, the WYBOT C1 eliminates the hassle of tangled cables, making it significantly easier to deploy and retrieve from your pool. You can connect through the WYBOT app to schedule cleaning, customize modes, track progress remotely, and even receive over-the-air firmware upgrades. Priced at $399.99 and backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, this cleaner offers good value for its advanced cordless design and smart capabilities. While core features like runtime and pool size are clear, the listed release date of mid-2026 is highly unusual for a product currently available. Overall, the WYBOT C1 excels in convenience with its cordless operation and smart controls, offering good value, though some specification details remain less clear than ideal. The WYBOT C1 stands out as a strong contender for in-ground pool owners seeking intelligent and hands-free cleaning. Its comprehensive 4-in-1 coverage, powerful triple motor system, and precise navigation combine with the convenience of cordless design and smart app control. While the listed future release date is a bit unusual, its feature set and current price point make it a compelling option for a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort.